Pass it.
Pass.
Okay. I'm home.
Ethan.
Hurry up, Fiber.
Ethan, pass it.
Okay. There you go. Thank you. He's not gonna give me. He's not gonna be. Come on, Ethan. We're doing pass.
Okay, give it to Lily.
Pass.
Next.
Another one coming right up.
Okay, pass it.
There you go. How much time do we have left? Everyone, we have to hurry so we can make our cars and not go crazy so we can go on the bike. How much? Next one coming right up?
I think we should count.
Yep. Ready?
10.
10.